Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're looking at the Deejoy tool set with toolbox and electronic toy drill, a fantastic toy tool set for toddlers aged 3 to 5. The Deejoy tool set is the perfect toy for little builders and DIY enthusiasts. It comes with a toolbox and an electronic toy drill, providing hours of pretend play fun for kids. The set includes 45 pieces of toddler tools, including a battery-powered toy drill, hammer, screwdriver, pliers, and more. It also features 4 interchangeable drill bits for different functions, stimulating sound and movements. Made of premium ABS plastic, the Deejoy tool set is safe and eco-friendly, with rounded edges and smooth surfaces designed for kids. The durable construction ensures that the toys are long-lasting and safe for play. This tool set is not only fun but also educational. It encourages imagination, creativity, and the development of unlimited abilities and life skills in toddlers. It's a great way for kids to feel like small craftsmen. Whether it's Christmas or a birthday, this tool set is the perfect gift for boys aged 3 to 8 who love tools and building things. It's a great way to encourage hands-on play and learning. In conclusion, the Deejoy tool set with toolbox and electronic toy drill is the best toy tool set for toddlers aged 3 to 5. With its durable construction, educational value, and endless play possibilities, it's a must-have for any young aspiring builder. Get yours today and watch your child's imagination soar. Thank you for watching Product Critique.